Hi, it's Kath Molloy here with M.A.D for Mondays, and I've got a special guest for you. And guess where we're coming from? Egypt and the Sphinx. So please let us know what you do to make a difference.
Thank you so much. My name is Andrea Adams Miller. I'm the CEO and founder of the Red Carpet Connection, international publicist and business consultant. And what I do to change the world even more is as the executive director of the keepsmilingmovement.com. We go all over the world because we recognize that people feel unloved, unaccepted, and invaluable, like they're not valued, excuse me. And because we want to make sure that people know that they are loved and accepted, because we believe a smile is a universal expression of love and acceptance that crosses all cultural boundaries. We're going around the world to create smiles, capture smiles. We publish those smiles in books. And then we take their stories and publish them as well. And then we do work with other nonprofits and profits who amplify goodness to make sure that we're creating advocacy and awareness to get their messages out. Because when you're doing good for the world, we know that it's given back to other people. And we're raising everybody together in an energy that's unbelievable for the world. 156 countries participate in the Happiness Index. And I'm on the mission, along with the founder, Ken Rashawn, and our ambassador of joy, Barry Shore, to create that mission that we go to all of those countries, plus more, and get them on board with creating more happiness in their countries. It raises the
Wow.
economy and everything.
Wow.
It's a huge difference, Kat. I'm so thankful for the
I'm
opportunity.
so excited. So there you go. Let's make the million smiles around the world. And you know what? When you smile, it is the global language. And it does change someone's day. And it
Absolutely.
even changes your own. So there you go. Make a difference. Give someone your smile and give yourself that big smile too.
Keep smiling.
Speak soon. Bye.